Ah, attempt number 3 to get this right. We'll see what happens. Yeah. We do everything live on this channel. So, last night everybody got hungry. I had to make some food. Never happens around your house, I bet. So, our butcher still having his sale on pork ribs. Driving me nuts with that stuff because it's just so good and so cheap you can't walk away from it. Ribs. Now, everybody thinks that if you're going to do ribs, you got to go to Tennessee, cut down an oak tree, go to the desert, get some mesquite, blah, blah, blah. Marinate the ribs for 5 days, cook them for 3. Yeah, whatever. I will confess, I have an offset smoker. It's taking up too much space in my barn. You want to buy it? It's cheap. So what do I do instead? Well, keep in mind, ribs are just meat on bone. That's it. Nothing special, nothing extreme. So what do we do with meat around here? Wash it, dry it, salt, pepper. The one thing I did different is I cut it into segments of 2 ribs each. Yeah. So, get it home, wash it, dry it, cut it into 2 rib segments, salt and pepper, put it in the fridge overnight, cook it up on a gas grill. Took me 2 runs, because I have a tiny 2-burner cheapo tabletop gas grill straight from the Home Depot I bought a few years ago. Does a nice job. Doesn't cost a lot. Takes about half an hour to cook a grill load of ribs. And what do you get? Well, you get this. This is a 2 rib segment. You'll notice the requisite. The meat has pulled back from the ends of the bones, so it's cooked, technically. You'll notice there is a very nice brown crust. Oh yeah. The meat you can see on the side is cooked. The meat you can see on the other side is cooked. And that's the joy of having manageable segments. You can make sure they're cooked. Salt and pepper. It's kind of simple. So, what about sauce? I mean, the best part of ribs is the sauce, right? Around here, Mrs. Chef would eat her ribs raw if I'd let her. She likes the taste of just the meat. Give it a try sometime. You'll be impressed because, yeah, God designed it that way. But we do have sort of a rib dressing, if you will. Not really a sauce. And this is it. Yeah, you can see that's so glamorous looking in there. We got garlic. Oh, shucks. Cut up nice and fine. Way too much garlic. Olive oil. Lemon juice. Rosemary. And a little bit of French-style mustard. Not Grey Poupon. To act as an emulsifier. You cook up the ribs. You let them sit. Sauce them or put the dressing on them. You might find it to be truly wonderful. And no, that doesn't fit into a 10-minute YouTube video. Sorry about that. But to recap, have a 2-burner gas tabletop grill or whatever kind of grill you got. Buy some ribs, cut them or wash them, dry them, cut them into 2 rib segments, salt, pepper, put them in the fridge. Take them out. Actually, do put some oil on top, on the meat side, and then throw them on the grill. Meat side down, and then after about 10 minutes, flip them over bone side down. Yeah. I'm sorry, everybody. It's that easy. You don't need to order wood from Kentucky. You don't need an offset smoker. You don't need. It's just meat on a bone. You want to put it in a crock pot, you can do that too. But that's how we make barbecue ribs around here. What's really fun is the Calabrian chili paste. I got to keep that for later. But yeah, we'll be making some of that. That goes good on ribs too.